Hello, welcome here to another episode of Be Money Wiser. Today we are talking about pyramid schemes, or what some people call network marketing. Have you lost your money in any of those? Today we're digging deep into this kind of business and knowing what you shouldn't or what you should do to be able to earn from it. Is it even earning? Let's listen to a story by Mr. Aaron. We'll be right back to dig deep into this conversation.
Okay, hello, my name is Aaron Kirunda. I am founder and CEO at Njuba. And I will start with a story a few years ago when I made a fundamental mistake and lost about 10 million shillings because I thought I could get rich quickly. So it was in 2009, and there was this organization that came up called Dutch International, and they thought, and they said, look, if you give us $300, we shall give you 30% of that money every month. And I was like, okay, that looks like a very good deal. So I put in my money, I earned the first interest, I put everything back in. I earned the second interest, I put everything back in. And the third time, the money didn't come. And then I thought maybe something is wrong, so I decided to go and check out on them at their office, and it was closed. At that time, it's when it occurred to me that I had lost my money, my small savings at the time. And I learned a few things. Today, I continue to see many companies, organizations coming up and sharing similar deals and similar opportunities. And I see a series of many people wanting to join because there is a desire to make money quickly and to earn. But I learned one thing from that experience, and that is, if something is too good to be true, it is too good to be true. That means if you see a deal that is seemingly is offering you a return that is unbelievable, that is too good, 30% per month, there is no way you're going to get that. So that is too good. It means that opportunity is a hoax. It's a pyramid scheme. They are going to take your money and it's going to come to an end. And ever since I learned that, I keep sharing with my friends, and some of them don't want to listen, and they go through the same mistake and lose their money. So I understood that, yeah, if something is too good to be true, it's too good to be true. Don't go for it.
Well, like you see, there is no business that is going to give you your money, or that is going to double your money just in a fortnight.
It's so amazing that we end up venturing into some of these investments thinking we shall get our returns much faster, it is much easier. But for those that have dealt in network marketing, you can also share your experiences in the comments. Is it that easy? It is a full-time job because you're actually out there trying to market this product, trying to get what do they do? Getting more people on board this network, and at the end of it all, each of you is going to earn from it. Well, sometimes these models work. We can't rule that out, but in most cases, you still have to be a little bit wiser. Be careful before you put your money into a networking venture that you are very well aware you will not have time for, and like we keep emphasizing, that you will not be able to monitor your money such that you get back the return on investment like you had envisaged before putting your money into it.
Some of these companies, you find they surely do have products that their clients do sell.
Yes.
You can see where the money they are paying you is coming from. But if you go to any company that you're not seeing any product they are selling, you're not seeing where the money they are paying, where the interest they are giving you is coming from. Really, how can you think that is going to be sustainable?
The pyramid scheme, guys call themselves investors, but it is a type of investment where it's more of recruiting more investors, the so-called investors. A reason it came from the word pyramid. You recruit someone, then someone recruits someone, then someone recruits someone. And one of the common characteristics you find with pyramids is they are forced. They force you to buy a lot of inventory. They'll tell you just to keep in the system. You buy whether they are soap, whether they are liquids, whether they are what, whether it's money for investment. Two, you are forced to recruit more members. And they tell you the more members you recruit, the more you earn. But from the real sense, you are earning from your own what? Your own money.
From the money that you use to buy the product.
Yeah.
Now, the question mark there is, should the person aim at getting the products that they need, or should they aim at getting more people to purchase the product? Whether or not they'll use it or whatever, you're just kind of recruiting people on board. Whether or not they'll benefit from the product, it's still a bit of a big question mark on how these schemes can ultimately be beneficial to an individual.
And persuasive advertisement is one of the common things you'll find there. You'll go there the first day they want to recruit you, sign for you, bring for you the forms there, recruit, pay, everything is chap.
They bring people to give you testimonies, how they've been able to buy cars, build houses and all that. But one thing that we need to be so clear about for these kind of businesses is that you need to first of all know where are these kind of companies coming from. I don't know if it's also regulated by the Financial Intelligence Authority.
If you have any challenge, you can report. But we faced a lot. In 2011, there was a scheme that came. People would go to the bank, then deposit on each one. There were 11 members. It was called Triple H, Triple something. But the government tried to close it. Then the new ones come on board. They're the one for entertainment. They are one for going out. They are not very clear in terms of regulations. Yes, they tell you want to travel, then you also earn. Then you have another level, gold, copper, whichever level they put you in, you understand, show you that by the way you can benefit from it. But the government should come up really and do a lot, because a lot of Ugandans and Africans are billions of money in such schemes.
And there is a way these companies are addictive. You find that if someone invests in one of those, it will take them probably more to companies that will take their money for them to be able to wake up and see these people are not trustworthy. And I don't know what really usually happens where they get this money. I think what they do is that they will get what the other person you're bringing on board has paid. They get an interest, let's say 10% is what they use to pay the person that has just entered, or the person that has been existing. Meaning the first people to enter into the company, to enter into the business, the first, second and probably third can benefit from the business.
But still they don't benefit a lot by the Ivan. Later they tell you after a certain level they chop you off, so that you no longer even benefit from the guys you brought in. You understand? So even if you're on another level, it means the owner of the scheme is the one milking us. It's the one milking you guys. So the best way is to stay out of it. And because we really need that profit in a very shortest period of time. 1 million you get 2, 2 you get 4. You be like,
people need to relax and earn your money. Not work and earn the money. These get rich quick arrangements are normally tricky.
Now, so what kind of business would you really do here that is going to give you 30% per month, that, like they had promised Aaron? See, it's something very impossible, and you need to think twice. The moment you start having instincts and asking yourself, is this a reality or not? Please think twice and make sure that before you invest in such kind of business, like you said, some people are benefiting from network marketing, but are you going to give it a full-time basis, or you're just going to do it because you want to make profits? Share with us any kind of business that you've ventured in that deals in network marketing or a pyramid scheme. Did you lose your money or you're making profits? We hope we can learn from these experiences. A fool will learn from his mistakes, but the wise one will learn from other people's mistakes. Get onto all our social media platforms on Facebook, on Twitter, and make sure that you subscribe onto our YouTube channel. Click that bell to be able to get notifications when we upload new episodes. See you next time. Be money wiser.